Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Chase app. You will go to settings, here in this first page of settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. We will search about the application of Chase app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.